Measuring weight. Standard units to measure the weight: milligram, gram, kilogram. So we can write it in a short form: milligram, mg, gram, g, kilogram, kg. So milligram is the smallest unit to measure the weight, and kilogram is the biggest unit. We measure the weight to know that how heavy an object is. We can easily compare the weights of two objects, whether it is heavier or lighter. So here, balancing scale manually. We'll see that pick. So this is the balancing scale. And here we have some digital machines, digital weight machines to measure the weight. So in manually we have to keep the weight and we have to measure it. But digital weight machine, if we keep an object on the machine, the weight it will display in the display board. And we have the weighing machine to measure heavy objects. Weight measurements: 1 gram equal to 1000 milligrams. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. Comparing heavy and light objects. So here you can see watermelon and pumpkin, and the balancing scale is balancing both the side. It is very straight. That means the two objects, two things are equal weight. And in next picture you can see the line has come down. That means which has come down, that side in that plate the object weight is heavy. So here apple and the orange. So orange plate is up and the apple plate is come down. That means apple is heavier than the orange. So here apple and banana. So which is heavier and which is lighter? Lighter object will stay up and the heavier object will come down. Two bananas are heavier than one apple. So here some more example: balloon and toy train. So balloon is lightweight and toy train is heavier than the balloon. So it has come down. And here they are comparing elephant and the rabbit. So rabbit plate is on top and elephant plate has come down. So elephant is heavier than the rabbit. So here apple and watermelon. So give me the answer. Dash is heavier than the dash. So which is heavier and which is lighter? Yes, watermelon is heavier than the apple. Next, you can see in this plate leaf and in this plate stone. Which is heavier and which is lighter? Very good. So dash is lighter than dash. Leaf is lighter than stone. So here comparing pineapple and the cherry. So pineapple is dash than cherries. Is it heavier or lighter? Very good. It is heavier. Pineapple is heavier than cherries. So reading scale using metric system. So metric system is a standard system. So here you can see the measurement in this digital machine. So here after keeping the object, the machine shows the number. So how much does the mango weight? So it is the unit is gram. So you have to say the answer is 100 grams. And next picture. So the needle is between 300 and 400. So the answer is between 350 grams. So how much do the apples weigh? 350 grams. Next, how much do the strawberries weigh? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 grams. The weight of strawberries 600 grams. Now the word problems. The weight of a banana is 85 grams. The weight of a guava 60 grams. What is the weight of banana and guava together? So together means we have to do addition of this two weight we have to add. So before we have to write the statement. Let's see the statement. Weight of a banana 85 grams. Weight of a guava 60 grams. So the total weight of the fruits, if you add 85 plus 60, 145 grams. Now let's practice. Name the heaviest object of the following. So here you could see many pictures. You have to compare these two pictures and you have to name. So book, pencil, which is heavier, and pineapple, jackfruit, dog and elephant. So name the animals which is heavier. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.